Good morning, adventure seekers! June 24th, a quick slingshot cruise over to the Santa Maria Elks. Little car show action. Let's cruise around, see what we got. Even the parking lot's happening. 1946 Ford cruising on in. Recognize this one from the Orchid Derelicts. Alright, let's see what else we got. Right off the bat, for sale by owner, 33.5, 51 fleet line. This is pretty nice. Beautiful red deluxe coloration on this one. Cool. Nice red Jeepster, Fleetwood Cadillac. Got the cruise and rides out today. Nice Chevy, looking good. 1951. 1953 Chevy Bel Air convertible. Nice. Right next to another Bel Air. Let's see what year is this one. It's 1954 there. 1950 Chevy 3100 pickup. Good looking blue. Cruise of Felix Chevrolet. 1953 Chevy Bel Air. Next to another good looking Bel Air. Got them out today. 1947 Fleetmaster. Chevy Cruiser, I tell you that. Little GT Super Sport. 1969 Dodge Dart. Looks like Ron of Orchid has a nice looking ride here. Another Chevy. Boy, the cars are out and about today. SS 454, red and black. My favorite color combo. Looking good. Ford Mustang action. Original engine. Looking nice. What else we got around here? This is a sweet looking machine. 1972 Dodge Challenger. Fairlane station wagon. Another one of my favorite cars is out. Thanks for bringing this thing out. I love the looks of this. Handmade by this gentleman right here. Put this thing together himself in his backyard. Now that is cool. 1924 Ford Roadster. Sweet. And then just in case, break down beside the road and go camping. Don't need to worry about it. Pack yourself a lunch. This is so sweet. This is just the coolest machine I have seen in a long time. Kudos. There's a cool looking ride. Gotta like that. Good looking. Blue. Nice. Look but don't touch. What a cool looking Cadillac. Old as the hills, but still cruising it. Cruise in style and comfort with this caddy. Gotta love the purple color of this machine. Nice. Nice looking Chevy. I like it. Oh, check out the Impala. That's a beautiful ride. Quite the paint job. Check out the paint job on the roof. Someone took some time, energy, and love on that. Looking good. Hey, having a good turnout. Good turnout today at the Elks. 27th annual Elks Car Show. I like it. They're coming out of the woodwork. 1973 Ford Grand Torino. 71 Chevelle Malibu. Nice. Got them out today. 1965 Ford Mustang. Looking nice. 2001 Audi convertible TT. That looks a fun looking machine. Check out the rims and tires on that. Good choice. Like it. What else we got around here? Can't live without. Little Ricky Racing Street Racer here. Check that out. Don't mess around with that Honda. Styled it in. No use having any weight that you don't need. Just give me a 5-point harness. That's all I need for some street racing. Alright, look at that. 1972 GMC C15 truck. Cool looking green. 66 Chevy T10. C10 lowered to the ground. Beautiful looking engine. Check out that hydraulic. They have a little trouble hauling rock, but other than that, one sweet machine. How about the bare necessities? Like it. The truck's out. 1959 Ford F100. On that. What else we got here? 63 Mercury Meteor. Don't see those around too often. Another Chevy. Looking good. Bakersfield. Racing rod there. Camaro. Looks like he's got this thing dialed in for some racing. 67 Chevy Camaro. Ready for the drags. Doesn't even have a passenger seat. Don't need no passengers in this one. Slow me down. 69 Chevy Camaro. Beautiful colors on this one. Dual carbs. Engine's looking sweet and clean. Looking nice. Serious tack on that thing. We also got little Camaro Z28 action. 69. Good year. Camaros are out today. 1970 Chevy Camaro. Check out that intake. Street racing machine. It's not messing around. Got a little tenacious here. This thing wants to get up and go. Don't hold it back, because it wants to run. Looking nice. Cool. 66 Chevy Nova. Like that. Some Royal Grande. Super Sport. Looking nice. Got the Nova. Car shows complete without. Chevy Nova. Classic ride. 1967. '64 VW bus. Looking good. Great paint job on this one. The roof racks ready for adventure. 65 VW Beetle convertible. Looking good. Nice. Oh, the inside of this bus needs to be admired as well. Looking good. I like it. See what else we got. Sweet looking Cadillac. Cars are out today. Elks is the happening spot for the cool cars. Biggest package ever tagged with the price as low as $777. Cool. 1939 Oldsmobile. Got another Orchid derelict truck. This is one awesome ride, my friend.
All original.
All original, 1939. I doubt I'll look that good when I'm 90. If I'm even around. Yeah, that's when they used to make cars to last. They made them works of art instead of pieces of plastic that are designed to explode when an impact.
There's a Volkswagen in every door. Right there.
A Volkswagen in every door, huh? That's one sweet ride. Thanks for bringing it down.
Sure.
Yeah, that's cool. I like it. Check out the engine on this beast. Oh, 6 volts still, huh? Still the 6 volt. Fun. All right, nice ride. Truck action here.
Oh, a little Calhoun circle right there.
See what else we got.
Alright, you guys,
Got the fuel hog.
you get over here.
Another
get the 50-50
derelict.
drawing tickets. Get
Another
in
derelict.
on that 50-50 cash. We're actually going to have, it's 2 cash winners, isn't that right, guys? 2 cash winners? Yes, we're going to have 2
Harley
cash winners
Davidson
today.
Ironhead.
Watch out. No, Ernie, you can't. No, you can't.
Looks like Jack's Upholsteries VW. Pirates of the Caribbean VW. Always a hit. Did a great job on this thing, folks. It's a gorgeous machine, isn't it?
It is.
Yeah, all the details, the exhaust pipe, the interior, Pirate's chest stereo. It's a real pistol used for the shifter. Yeah, Jack knows how to do it. Doing good. Well, that's a VW to be proud of right there, folks. And then if the VW is enough, Jack's got to have his Chevy, 57 Chevy. Interior is nice, of course, since that's his specialty. Yo, you go, Jack. Nice looking rides out here today, folks. Hopefully you can make it out to the Elks in Santa Maria for this cool car show. 1929 Ford Roadster. Nothing but the bare necessities to have some fun. Getting good. Another good looking paint job on this one. Not messing around, folks. Not messing around at all. 3.6 liter 2012 Dodge Challenger. 1965 Corvette station wagon. Something you don't see every day, that's for sure. What else we got around here? Cool looking Bel Air. Like it. Looking good. It's a place to be, folks. 1953 Chevy hardtop Bel Air. Chevy 3100 pickup truck. Looking nice. 1953 5070 Mercury Montclair convertible. Check out that air cleaner. Sweet. Looking good, folks. This one, cruise and ride. Love the colors on this one too. Sweet. 1949 Ford F1 pickup. That is cool looking machine. Gotta like that. Bed's done up right. Looking clean. Malibu SS. Liking that. This is Chevelle Action. 1964. Another SS. 71 Chevy convertible. Red and white. It's a beauty. 1949 Chevy Business Coupe Deluxe. Gotta like that, baby. Show me that dance again. Show me that dance again. You got the moves. You got the moves.
I'm trying to get that black in me, you know?
That's right. You gotta get some of that rhythm. Back in black. Looking good, folks. Got them out today. I don't know how many cars they got, but they got quite a few today. Beautiful machines. 1972 Monte Carlo. Looking good. 2006 Dodge Charger. Love those rims and tires. 1932 Ford, the old Deuce. I like that. If I'm not mistaken, it's for sale as well. Here, $35,000, it could be yours. 53 Ford F100. Nice. Fat Iron, 1955 Ford F100. Good, nice. That's one sweet looking 57 Chevy, folks. Eat off that engine. I like it. Thing's beautiful. Beautiful paint job on this one. Nice. Don't mess around. All right. Ada brought down her 1937 Chevy. Car show is complete without Ada. Built from the ground up. 37 Chevy. Ray does good work. He doesn't mess around. In fact, did this Camaro too. Right. 1968 Chevy Camaro. Did the whole work himself. His backyard. All right, check out this truck. Nice. That's beautiful. The second Titanic. Yikes. That's a beautiful looking ride. Incredible. It's not messing around at all. Yikes. Getting good. Now that is a truck to be proud of. It's so long you can be in two counties at the same time. 1952 Chevy 3100. Nice pinstriping, beautiful red. Interior's looking great. Wood beds, styling. Good looking Bel Air. Orange color. Orange and white. Don't see that color combo too often. Looking good. 1967 Mercury Cougar. A Cougar 298. Another Mercury Cougar 67. Alright, what else we got around here today? Adventure Seekers. Another Cougar. Another Cougar. It's a regular pack of Cougars here. A Cougar pack. Ooh, the engine's done up nicely on this one. This one looks more original, but still cool. 2013 Dodge Viper. Sweet looking purple. I like that. Check out the stereo. This thing's a rocking machine. If you get going too fast, you got to deploy the parachute even. Now that's got some nice looking ride. Sweet looking machines out here today, folks. Hopefully you'll be able to get down here and check it out. 1939 Plymouth sedan. Looking good.
Okay, one more
VW Beetle.
We still have 5 left, folks. If you guys are pre-registered, you didn't get your Crystal Perez. We need you guys to come up here, otherwise no one can vote for you, and you don't have a chance to participate. Choice. Anyway.
Looking good.
We tried.
Shining up that 327
Don't forget, in the
Corvette.
meantime, we do have our 50 stuff from Slime Products. There's all kinds of cool things. We're going to put them out later, maybe? No, sort of? Well, you can come and see them later.
76.
We're
Check that
kind
out.
of sort of out. But anyway, there's a lot of cool prizes in case you don't win the cash pot. But check it out again. Don't forget, $5 you get 6 chances. $20 you get 30 chances. It's a win-win, my friends. That's a win-win.
It's a beautiful
Get over
machine.
here and get your... Now, I think we have someone out on the loose, don't we? Is there someone out there?
2008 Softail
Nope,
Deluxe
we're all
Harley.
here. We're just over here. So right here, if you
Looking
want to
good.
get your tickets right here, my friends. Let's see. Let's get a little
Check
line
the
over here.
1980
Get those tickets while you can.
Harley, this thing's a beautiful machine. You can cruise it in this thing.
Now we're gonna hear some
Count
music.
that gas tank.
I think.
All right, adventure seekers. Here's the machine to get you where you need, any adventure you want. Trying to get there with this rig. Camping special. Cruising wherever you want to go with this beast. Like it. Detroit Lockers. The Chevy SS. Looking good. What else you got? 2014 Dodge Challenger 392 Hemi. I like that. Mopar action. Gold wing doors and everything. Pretty cool. Custom. Newport Custom. Don't see these very often. That's for sure. Chrysler 68. 1953 Chevy Bel Air. One good looking machine. 1935 Ford 4-door sedan. She's a beauty. Suicide doors and everything. Ladies' choice. The Mad Bombers Chevy truck. Slow and low but cool. One good looking Firebird. Hey, how you doing, my friend? Good, good. Still up to the no good, that's for sure. One way or another. Never see me doing work, just always see me out having fun. That's anything to avoid yard work. That's my motto. I'm sorry, honey, I got things to do. Gotta go. I got toys to look at. Check out the beautiful paint job on this 72 Monte Carlo. Ay, caramba. Somebody put some love into that paint job and it came out nice. Can't beat that. Yeah, even the trunk is stylish. Got the hydraulics, stereo amplifiers. Looking good. Interior's dialed in too. Check this one out. Ay, caramba. Little touch of style. When they say touch of style, they mean it. This thing is dialed in, folks. Hopefully you get down here today and see these machines in person. There's no way this camera can do them justice. They are beauts. Beautiful machines. Another Chevy. 84 Chevy El Camino. Love that paint job on this one as well. Mario! One beauty.
Yeah. Just like that other dude over there. He brought that bug, the truck, and that
56. This is Bel Air.
right on.
Looking good. All right. Got the cars out today. Don't know how many they had registered, but it's quite a few. 1932 Ford. How you doing? Thanks for bringing your car down. Cruising machines. What else we got here? A little Bel Air action. 1950. The Critics, Santa Maria. Low and mean cruising machine. Like that. 1950 Ford shoebox. That's something you don't see too often. Cruise and Fleetliner here. Looking good. 1953. Another Critics machine. Cadillac. I like that. 1963 Chevy K10 pickup truck. Got some nice ground clearance on that. Ready for rock front. Looking good. What else we got over here? Ford GT Mustang. Nice. Looking good. Cobra action. 1937 Ford Coupe. One nice looking ride. You sure don't see these every day. Now that's a pickup truck to be proud of. Take you wherever you want to go. And if somebody scratches in the parking lot, you won't even know. Check out the interior of that bad beast. This is cool. Even got the adjustable headlights with the chain. That's nice. 1935 Ford pickup. Check out the red with the flames on this one. Beautiful looking engine. 1940 Ford Coupe. That is beautiful. That is one sweet looking machine, sir. All right, looking good. Check out this engine. We'll get you there in a hurry. Who needs a hood? Forget the hood. Engine like that, you know, show it off like a jewel anyway. 71 Vegas Chevy. That's good. Hot Wheels 50th anniversary edition. Sniff, but don't scratch. Please do not touch this convertible because she is beautiful. Don't mess with it. Chevy Impala. Looking good. Got the rides out today. Lined up. Another Chevy Impala with an LS3 Corvette engine. Messing around. In 62. Looks comfortable. Love this Impala with the green and the pinstriping. Little leprechaun machine here, man. Sweet. This thing's dialed in. Firing up that El Camino. Looking good. We've got the cars out. People are out. Got the music going. Gonna have some food here. It's the place to be. 27th annual Elks Car Show is happening. Got the Santa Maria four-wheelers represented here. Looks like fun. Rock front machines. Too bad they closed rock front until July 24th so far. Hopefully not longer than that. All right, keep a little cruise around here. See what else we got. Got the cool machines, that's for sure, folks. Check out the intake on this machine. Beautiful. Nice. 1953 Chevy 210. Misbehaving. Quite the beautiful machine here, folks. This thing, super custom, dialed in. I like that. The engine's not messing around either. Let's see what it says. 72 Chevy Blazer. Perfect year. All right, look at this. Light purple. 57. Another nice looking machine here, man. Nice. Looking good. Looks like fun. Got the cars out today. Let's see what this one says. 2021 Subaru STI. Another cruise in here. 64 Grand Prix. Saw this one over at the other car show, the 51 Mercury. He's a beauty. Dialed in. Check out the custom paint, custom interior on this beast. That is sweet. Saw this one before. Thanks for bringing it out. She's a beauty. Bet you have a lot of fun with this. Yeah. It's a head turner, I'll tell you that. It's not messing around. Nice. 1949. Chevy. Chevy Deluxe. Another one of my favorite trucks. The fleet side. This thing sounds as good as it looks when it fires it up. 1959 Apache. Chevy Apache. Nice hood ornament. Cool. 1963 Chevy Impala. Cars are out. They brought out the best. Looking good. Hopefully I've got them all here. 1965 Pontiac Bonneville. Oh, here's another one for sale. 1930 Ford A. Cisco Beach. Information there. 39.5. Runs excellent. Beautiful machine, folks. It could be yours. 66 Impala. Looking good. Cadillac Eldorado 72 convertible. Cruise in style and comfort. 1956 Mercury. Unique color combination there. Looking good. Sweet looking ride. Little Ford. Beautiful color on this Ford pickup truck. F100. 69 Plymouth Road Runner. The Road Runner goes beep beep. That's right. Studebaker. You don't see this clean of a machine very often. Love that intake. Nice convertible. Oh, cool. Like it. Sweet looking Studebaker. 1966 Chevy C10. Love the intake on this beast. Twin turbo. It's not messing around at all. Looking good. This one's for sale, huh? Nice. 1953 cruising machine. Just doing a little walk around action here. 71 Hemi Cuda. 426 Shaker. Another one for sale. 76 Lincoln Continental. 28 grand. Could be yours. We've got the rides out today, folks. We got the people out. Everyone looks like they're having a good time. Checking out the cool machines. 327, 350 horsepower. 1934. What a beauty. What a beautiful ride. Not to like these rides, folks. Pride and Joys are out today. Everyone should be proud of these rides. Don't mess around. 2000 Tacoma. Cool. Toyota Tacoma. Customized. See what else we got here? 99 Toyota Tacoma. Slam to the ground and looking mean. Beautiful. Customized for sure. Acrophobia, the fear of heights. That's why they gotta be low and mean. Don't want to get too high up there. 2002 Chevy Tahoe. Looking good, folks. Gotta get on down here. truly appreciate these fine rides. 1964 Malibu SS. Yellow axle. Good.
Combination of 50/50 and raffle. Only $5.
Looks like the fuel hog is unveiled.
Not yet, but just a few
Fuel hog is revealing the inner works.
Get over here and get in the 50/50 raffle drawing while you can. 50/50
One
cash
mean
and
truck,
combination raffle drawing. Get over there as soon as
One
you can
mean
to get
truck.
in on that because they're raffle prize.
1963 VW Combi.
They still get in on the cash
Looking good.
draw too. So
Comes complete with the surfboards.
Still, you get both.
Good looking
Raffle
interior.
and a 50/50.
Ready for the
Time.
beach.
Here's a little music player right here. Here we go.
Looking fun. 1964 Chevy C10. Check out the details on this beautiful machine. Engine's looking sweet. Interior's dialed in. Check out this. A lot of work and love went into this, folks. One beautiful looking machine. Slammed to the ground. If you want it to be. They say custom, they mean custom. Beautiful. 2003 Ford Mustang convertible. Cobra edition. What? Nice looking ride. Nice convertible action. Cars are out in force today. You missed this one? Gotta make sure you get to the 28th annual Elks Car Show. Too good to miss. Check out these fabulous rides. And coming out of the woodwork. 1965 C10. Nice looking engine.
50/50 drawing in there as soon as possible because it's a 50/50 combination. 50/50 and raffle.
Custom
And we're
stuff.
going to be giving the raffle prize.
1932 Ford. Pretty sure I got this one, but if not, you get to see it twice. Cool looking ride. The Critics Central Coast. Judges are out. Gonna have a hard time judging all these cool rides, folks. So once again, get on out here if you can. This video won't post until the show's over at 2 o'clock, but make sure you get down here next year to check it out. You don't want to miss all these cool rides. Places to happen and spot. All right, adventure seekers, gonna head on out. Trying to post this so you might even have time to get on down here. Santa Maria Elks. Exit on Donovan. Cruise around through the neighborhood. I'm sure you'll find it. All right, stay tuned. Next adventure, which will probably be the Orchid Car Show tomorrow. All right. What a nice turnout at the Elks. Always a good show, folks. All right, stay tuned. Bring you whatever we can, adventurizing. I don't know if I've got this one here. One beautiful looking Beamer. Like that. Pops M3 BMW. Wow. Looks like one fast machine if you ask me. Chevrolet. It's beautiful. Looking good. $1955 Chevy 210 sedan. Beautiful yellow. Stand out in the crowd with this machine. They are just out. Not sure if I got all the cars or not. It's hard to tell. They are out today. 1962 Chevrolet Impala. 1937 Ford Coupe. Got the cool machine. 1930 Ford Coupe. The Galaxy. Cruising machine. 64 Ford Galaxy. Gotta like that. Right, this little camera's not gonna do these cars justice. So you gotta get yourself on down here. Grab yourself some food. Raffle 63 Chevy Bel Air. Right. Who let the dogs out? Who let that dog out? Dogs out. Who let the dogs out? 1937 Ford sedan. Sweet. Great turnout today, folks. Great turnout for the car show today. Chacon Cadillac. Seen this one before, but it's worth another look. Bunch of stickers. A couple more Harleys at the parking lot. Quick picture of them, because they are so cool. Looking good. Like it. Cool looking Chevy Impala. Nice. SS version. Cool.